It is 10/17, Tuesday morning, February the 1st, and we're going to check and see how much it snowed. Tanner and Lane is going to move. Right there, Tanner. Put it in there, put both hands on it. Move, Lane. Put both hands on it and go all the way down. Put your other hand on it, son. Alright. 1 foot. Put your finger on it right there where the snow stops. Bring it to me.
But see, there's still going to be snow on the bottom.
Okay. Show me the measure. Show me the tape measure. Where was it at?
Foot right there.
1 foot of snow, and it's just 10:15 in the morning. And still snowing. Man, it's crazy. Pretty cool though.